Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a charging station that's pretty clean, pretty convenient, and it's all going to cost you less than $50. So let's take a look at it before, and then I'm going to show you what I did to it to make it even more convenient to plug into the wall and give it a cleaner look. This is a rack from IKEA, and what I'm going to do is drill some holes in it, put some power strips in it, and clean it up a little bit so that it can sit in my office. So I've decided to go with a 1.5 inch hole saw, and I know about where I want to put it. It doesn't need to be exact. Just need to brace this thing, and here we go. All right, so that's one. You got two decent sized holes right here and over here. A way to make this look a little bit more professional and clean it up is these things. These are rubber grommets for electrical work. Pick them up at almost any hardware store. I got mine over at the Ace. Let me fit these in and we'll take a closer look at how nice it looks. So there you have it. It looks much nicer than just the standard cutout and putting some tape on it. Just to be clear, this was created by a 1.5 inch hole saw, and the rubber grommet requires a 1.5 inch groove diameter so that it fits perfectly inside the hole. And then the inner diameter here, where the plug goes out of, is 1 1/4 inches. But definitely check the description below and I'll list all the parts. So this is the finished product in use inside my office. As you can see, there's just oodles of room in this thing. Keeps you organized, keeps the stuff off your desk, and you can charge multiple items at one time with the variety of plugs. Well, I hope you found that informative. If you got any value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And possibly subscribe to the channel. I'd love to grow the channel a little bit more, and through your viewership, that's possible. And I hope to bring you other tips like this, photography, video, and drones in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching.